Hi Jackson. What I'd like you to do is please fold that paper into thirds. So can you fold that into thirds? Doesn't matter which way. So you make sure they're equal thirds?
Nope.
Please do.
Yes.
Okay, can you mark, or can you just draw around the outside thing of 2/3? So we're wanting 2/3. Can you indicate in some way 2/3?
Yep.
Okay, so now what I'd like you to do is to find a half of the 2/3. So can you just fold that piece of paper in half?
Yep.
So now can you mark it with a different colour, the half of 2/3? Which bit shows you which is a half of 2/3?
Yep.
Okay, so we found a half of 2/3. What was the total part that you've coloured?
2/6.
2/6 or?
2/6. Or 1/3.
Fantastic. Okay, so is that right? So is a half of 2/3 1/3 or 2/6?
Yes.
How can you prove it?
Because if you add them all together, it equals 6 parts. If you add these 2 parts 3 times, it equals 6 parts, which would equal the whole strip of paper.
Okay. So 1/2 of 2/3 is 1/3.
Yes.
Fantastic. Okay, we'll do one more just as an example. So this time, can you show me 3/4 of that paper, please?
3/4. Wait, how do I...
Oh, good folding.
Not really.
Okay.
Yep.
And we want to find 2/3 of that 3/4. What would I do? What would you do?
2/3, you'd have to fold it the other way
Mm-hmm.
into 2/3. Which is inconvenient. Yep.
Okay, so we're wanting 2/3 of that 3/4.
2/3 at 3/4.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Okay, because you're in year 10, sorry, not year 8. What would you write if you had to write that in symbols? How would you write 2/3 of 3/4? What would you write for your symbols?
I would write that as... I'd write that as a half.
Okay, so but what would you write as the beginning?